I'm gonna read these cuts. We got 1, 2, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 2. 1, 2. Again, we got 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Okay, our 5th and 6th cut was 1, 2. So we're going to go over here, we're going to find 1, 2. And that's the group that we want. So we're going to find, should say it on here. Not that one. 1, 2. There we go. We'll try this ignition out. Well, look at me, I locked it. It's probably locked on this side too. Well, this side's open. Does it have power? Nope, it's completely dead. Alright guys, we're gonna try all these keys out until we get one that turns. Make sure the steering wheel's not locked. Oh, it was. So that might have been why it wasn't turning. Well, this one's turning. How do I get the key out? That's a good question. Should be a little button, right? Oh, not in park. Okay. We got 1, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2. Oops. We'll just go 1, 1, 1, 3. On the door. Okay, we got a door key. We got ignition, that's the question. We do. We got ignition. First key.